Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, Friday, June 6th of 2025. I'm Gio Benacourt, and this is a recording done by Vantage Markets right about 50 minutes prior to the US session open, trading session to be open. Well, we just got the non-farm payrolls. It came out better than expected. So that has given some breathing room for the markets. We've seen in this daily candlestick chart how the Nasdaq is fluctuating to the upside. So with this momentum, 22,000 could be that level that the market will come and test. Let's see if that will be the case for today. I'm gonna actually I'm still gonna do the half-hour chart. So this is just basically the overall picture. Daily, the asset did open gap down. Now with this news, it has flipped to the upside. So that momentum, I am assuming, I am speculating that it will be overfilled into the USA trading session. So let's open up the chart. 22,000. Will that be something that will hit today? It's possible. I mean, the markets do move, but obviously we need to come in and see that the market is going to maintain its momentum to the upside. So here we have that particular. The market was quiet. The news came out. Boom, moved to the upside. Obviously, we do have some other rhetoric in the background with Musk and Trump going at it. Musk claiming that Trump is in Epstein's files and that the U.S. is going to fall into recession by the second half. And there's a lot of things that sound more like a child having a tantrum. So let's just see how this unfolds. But take a look at the S&P. Well, 6,000 is just obviously a psychological round value that the market most likely will hit. And let's see how much more will it fluctuate above that. RSI in this half-hour chart is in the overbought territory, so keep that in mind. But move to the upside is favorable. The Dow is having a stronger move than its peers. So 42,700 now 43,000. That's I think that is quite far for the market to come and realize today, right? But you never know, right? The market is open. It is the weekend also. Is good news about employment in reality. So the numbers is 139,000 versus 125,000 that was estimated. So a good number, positive number. So we see across the board a red day. Crude oil, $64 is the value that crude oil has been looking to obviously close above. So let's see if that will be the case. So buying today could be a bullish day for those who are aggressive. Nat Gas fluctuating towards a 350. So I'm gonna actually do the up volume band. I mean, this could also just drop in a minute. There's a lot of volatility out there, but let's just go with what the charts are showing us. So here is a volume cluster right here, right? I mean, I wanted to make it as straight as possible. So that's why Nat Gas has to trade through. 350 is a psychological value, so let's see if that will be the case. Or would Nat Gas just do a UE and just continue to trade lower? So gold is being hit after that news, which makes the dollar index stronger. So let's see how much more will gold trade below. So the lower Bollinger Band is going to be acting as that psychological or that dynamic level of resistance. 50-day moving average is also a possible level. So here we have in this half hour. So you could just stay there also and just begin to do a sideways trading. Silver is the one that is looking strong to make moves to the upside. Let's use the lower boundary band, and the 50 moving average is actually outside of the band. So you know that the boundary bands are squeezing. So that will imply the volatility is just coming down, but it acts like a cooker pressure. So at any moment it'll expand. So which way would it come out? Which way will it break out? Copper, after having been able yesterday to have fluctuated towards the $5, now it's just on a sell-off. It could have been also that profit taking was taking place. So the 50-day moving average is above the market. Let's see. Bitcoin. $50 moving average 1025. Actually, I want to do the lower volume because Bitcoin, when it does move in thousands. That's what I want. 104,750 for Bitcoin. Around there. All right. Then let's take a look at the currencies. The euro taking a dive. 114 seems to be the pivot point for the euro. It did have a pretty wild swing. So let's see how will it trade today. Pretty wild swing, pretty wide. So is the pound. So the dollar index is gaining some ground. 135 psychological level, 50 moving average, upper boundary band. Dollar index jumped back above 99. I say 99 is 99 flat. And let's just use the lower boundary band. That's also pretty wide swing for dollar index. All right. Well, if the dollar index does continue to recuperate and fluctuate towards our level of resistance, we'll see a pullback, a continuation of the downside on metals and the currencies. But otherwise, if it does drop again and back below the 98, then 98. Let's say, for example, 98.70 or towards our lower boundary band, our level of support, we'll see a recuperation on the metals and the currencies. Well, that's it for me today. Have a great weekend. I'll see you Monday.